In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine coolant temperature sensor on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the side of the motor, on the driver's side. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the mass airflow sensor, push on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Remove the harness out of the plastic stay. Loosen the 10mm clamp. Open the metal clips on the side of the airbox, and we have one more on the other side. Lift straight up and remove the top of the airbox. Remove the filter. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 bolts. Remove the bottom airbox. Remove the connector. For the engine coolant temp sensor, there's going to be a push button right on the bottom. Push on that, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the engine coolant temp sensor. We're going to crack it free. Get your other sensor ready to go. You want a nice clear shot to this. Remove the old temp sensor. When you do this, there is going to be some coolant that comes out. I put a finger over the hole once I removed it. I'm going to double check and make sure that there is not an extra crush washer that is installed. Once you verify there's no extra washer, go ahead and install the new sensor. Go until the sensor bottoms out. We're going to tighten this. When we tighten this, we want it to just get nice and tight. We really don't need to snug down on these too hard. The thread sealer and the crush washer will do that work for us. That's good. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the lower air box. Get the 3 bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Install the air filter. Install the top air box. Be sure that it hooks into these back 2 hooks. I'm going to install it onto the intake and then onto the lower air box. And close the metal clips. Snug down the clamp. Install the mass airflow sensor connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. And install the harness into the plastic stay. We're going to top off our coolant bottle, open up the reservoir, top it off as needed, and close it back up, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.